Alright, you have built the store, you have picked the perfect theme, you even added your products with killer descriptions, but nothing happened. No pings, no orders, just silence. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. Most Shopify owners struggle not because of bad products, because of their store aren't built to convert. But don't lose hope. I'll tell you 3 secret strategies that could turn your Shopify store here to there, and you will generate more conversions. So, number 1 strategy is improve user experience. First impressions are everything. When someone lands on your site, you have got just a few seconds to make them want to stay. But if your store looks like a messy teenager's bedroom, shoppers aren't attracting around. So here's the move. Hit them with a bold headline. Keep the design super clean, use high quality product photos, and make your call to action crystal clear. Not sure where to begin? No stress. The Shopify theme store is packed with stunning templates, and guess what? A lot of good ones are totally free. Just pick one that fits your vibe and swap your content and you are off to rest. Next, focus on driving visitors to more pages on your site by adding more products like this or similar items carousels. This encourages them to keep clicking, keep exploring, and stay on your site for a longer time. Make it super easy for the customers. Another thing is you can add pop-ups. Okay, so let's say a customer leaves your page before checking out. Here is how to get them back and build loyalty. It's a little trick I call incentives, and it works. Offer a first-time discount or free shipping in exchange for their email address. All you need is Shopify Forms app, which helps you grow your contract list and convert new leads. You can easily add pop-up on your homepage, offering the discount or deals, and gather that valuable customer data securely. Optimize your checkout process. Alright, let's talk about checkout. You want to make it easy as possible for your customers to hit that button. So keep it simple. Cut out any extra steps, give them plenty of payment options, and make sure they see trust badge to show that your site is secured. It's all about making the process smooth and quick. The easiest you make it for them, the more likely they finish the purchase. Strategy number 2, add customer reviews. Head over to the Shopify App Store at apps.shopify.com and search review. You will find tons of review apps for your shop. Personally, I choose one of the higher rated apps with lot of reviews because lots of reviews, credibility, trust, and quality. If you want to know which of the apps I'm using for collecting the reviews and generating review for your Shopify pages, then let me know your thoughts in the comment box or mail us at info@ecomclips.com with this video reference. This is exactly why you need customer reviews on your Shopify store. When I am shopping online, I always check rating and reviews first. You too, right? Especially when buying clothes, I look for sizing info in the reviews and feedbacks. Reviews boost credibility, improve buyer confidence, and increase sales. And many apps even use AI to automatically email customers for review with pre-made templates. There are numerous amount of apps to choose from. But the question is, how do you get customers to actually leave reviews? Sounds tough. Not really. Offer incentives. Offer rewards for reviews. Promote them on social media, run contents on giveaway, and speaking of social, share your top reviews in your marketing content. This boosts brand trust, expand reach, and attracts more customers. Strategy number 3, use Shopify Flow app. Use the Shopify Flow app. If you don't know about it, it's awesome. Shopify Flow lets you automate your store using a low-code editor. It helps you create a specialized workflow without writing a single line or code. It's like collecting all your apps, getting them to work together, so you can focus on growing your business. So install the app. Keep in mind, it's only available for Shopify Advanced or Shopify Plus plan. But if you got it, Flow is free. It can manage inventory, hide out of stock products, and more. That's just the beginning. Once you logged in, you will see templates. But you can also build custom workflow using triggers, conditions, actions. Likewise, Flow can detect fraud, cancel the order, restock the item, and email you to review it. Pretty cool, right? Alright, let's recap. Today, you learned how to make your store look amazing and convert better. How to build trust with real customer reviews. How to save time and boost results with Shopify Flow automation. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Shopify tips from real e-commerce experts. Drop your questions in the comments or email us at info@ecomclips.com. We'll help you out personally. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Peace.